Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Range Rover 5 litre. Why you'd want to listen to radio or telephone calls when you can do that, I'll never know, but here we go. So, first thing, switch on Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth, watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, you'll see the telephone there. Click on telephone, and you've got John's phone is already paired. He's claimed this is his new demonstrator. So pair new, Range Rovers, come up straight away. Click on Range Rover. Verify these numbers match the display on Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, 379393, 379393. Pair, yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow connecting to Barry's iPhone, and there you go, it's connected. And let's just see, Range Rover connected. So that's how you pair a mobile.